Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel, and I hope you all are doing well. And in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make chili flakes. It's very simple with just one ingredient, and you can use this in your soups, your salads, stews. So I hope you will enjoy this recipe, and also don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So let's get started. So for this recipe you will need any red hot pepper of your choice or chili of your choice, and I'm using this long hot chilies. So to start with, I'm going to break the heads of the chili and I'm going to cut them into halves, and I'll be drying them in the sun for about 2 to 3 days until it's very dry. So yeah, as you can see, I'm breaking all the heads off the chili, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. And also another way is you can also dehydrate it in the dehydrator for a couple of hours, but for this one I'm going to be drying them in the sun because it's very hot on my side here. Yeah, so as I said, it's very simple and easy to make, and you can use it in your soups, your stews, your salads, your omelettes, your fried eggs. Just use it in anything. So I'll be cutting them into halves for it to dry faster. So I'm done cutting them into halves. Next I'm going to spread them on the tray. So it's all done at this point. So I'll be taking it outside and leave it in the sun for 2 to 3 days for it to dry, and then we'll continue from there. Now I'll cover it to prevent some insects from flying on it. So let's wait after 2 to 3 days. Now it's been 2 to 3 days now, and as you can see, our chili, it's very dry and it breaks very easily. And the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be using my spice blender. So I'll transfer it into my spice blender, and I'll be blending it not too fine because this is chili flakes, so you want it coarse or rough. And I'll be using the pulse. So I'll be grinding it slowly until I get the consistency I'm looking for. So yeah, as you can see, this is the right consistency you should be looking for. I'll now transfer it into a bowl and I'll continue the rest until I'm done. And I hope you are enjoying this recipe, and please don't forget to give me a like, share, subscribe and comment. And the subscription is free, so what are you waiting for? Subscribe. And once you subscribe, you get notification from all my recipes and be part of this amazing channel. And it also helps my channel, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. So I'm blending the last bit, and as you can see, it's all done at this point, and I'll mix it together. So this is optional, but I'm tossing it a little bit on a very low heat to give it that smoky flavor. It is completely optional. And trust me, the aroma coming out, it's so nice, smells so good. And we are all done. Very simple. So I hope you try this recipe, and after you finish, just let it cool down and package it in your airtight containers and store it in your pantry. And I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.